Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1965 Chevrolet Malibu. This is a true super sport car. Love this car, guys. Wicked cool color combination, factory tuxedo black with factory medium blue interior. Yes, that's the original color combo, which I thought was just super cool. Kentucky car. It's actually a little bit of an older restoration. They said this car was done about 8 or 10 years ago, but they say there is not very many miles on the restoration. I guess the car was in a car collection right after it was restored. Wasn't driven very much, and then the previous owner we got it from, they bought it. They probably put 1,000 miles on it. Neat car, good solid straight body. Again, it is an original super sport. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. I really dig it. I love the color combination. I love this body style. I've driven this car. It hits the road great. Fun car. You can see a few little things you can kind of pick at on it, but the chrome and stainless is nice. Like I say, the car hits the road really good. Nice and tight, drives out great. It's got aluminum headed 350 underneath the hood with a nasty little camshaft in it. Chrome and stainless is nice. Good looking car. We are dodging raindrops today. Well, we had snow this morning, and we've been battling, waiting for the doggone rain to get out of here. So I think this is the only piece of glass on the car that was changed. It's a new front windshield, but the rest of the glass is all soft ray glass. Very nice paint. Like I say, not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Good looking car. I know guys have been waiting for cars to come in. They are trickling in. There's a ton of stuff that is coming in tomorrow. Don't be afraid to give Jordan and them a call. Nathan will be back tomorrow, so don't be afraid to give the guys a call. A bunch of stuff is hitting the pavement here tomorrow, guys. You see that thing's nice and straight down the sides. Bumpers are nice. A 15-inch rallies all the way around it. Those are brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs on it. I put them on it. I am not a fan of off-brand white letter tires. I know most people probably wouldn't spend the money to put brand new BF Goodriches, but I run this place a little bit different. Flat caps, which I really like. Does have front disc brakes. That's probably a little drip there, guys. It's just, yeah, just a little wax. Sorry. Clean, straight old 65. Great running small block 350 here. Like I say, aluminum heads, Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock Torker intake, does have Hedman headers, power steering. It's got the power front disc brakes. You can see they got the chrome booster and master cylinder. It also has a vacuum canister. You can see it's got all the aluminum brackets and pulleys on it. HEI distributor, 350 turbo hydromatic trans, billet valve covers, yeah, just a good car, real good car. Yeah, and those BFGs are brand spanking new. It says 327 because obviously that's what the car would have came with in 67, but it's been upgraded to the 350. I just think this is a cool little hot rod, man. I think somebody's gonna have a blast with it. Like I say, I drove it. I probably put, I don't know, 8-10 miles on it. It's a good car. You can nitpick that A-pillar chrome just a little bit, but man, it's pretty doggone nice. Bow tie mirror. Definitely replace the door handles. New door rubbers. Door skins are nice and clean. I love the interior. It's a two-tone, but this is actually standard. New sill plates. I think that's just as much getting in and out of there, guys. Have been waiting to shoot this thing, pulling it in and out of the building as the rain would start and stop. You can see it's got all the Fisher body seat belts in it, bucket seats, factory console. It's got an I Did It tilt chrome column in it with that wood wheel. Again, it does have all the Fisher body seat belts in it. Those were an option in 65, guys. Headliner's nice. Showing 22,000. Like I say, they say there's probably less than 2,000 miles on it. I love the old school Autometer tach, man. I thought that was so cool. Dash lights work, blower motor works, radio works. There is owner's manuals in the glove box. Dual exhaust. It is... oh gosh, what's the gear here in the back? Oh, man, I'll put it in the ad, guys. I've completely drawn a blank here. I've been waiting to shoot this thing all day, and it might be a 342, guys. I'll put it in the ad. Actually, that might have been the Camaro. Doggone it. I'll get it in the ad. They did put a trunk pan in this car. You can see it's got the jack with the spare. It's all spackle coated, but they did put a trunk pan in this car. You see the line right there. I don't remember seeing any other panels put on it. It's a good car. This is just a good quality old muscle car right here. Fun car to turn the key and go have some fun. Got great sound, rear sway bar. Oh, that's what I'm forgetting, doggone it. It's got all PST performance rear suspension, Catapult. It's got the Catapult system on it with the control arms, rear sway bar, front sway bar. Oh shoot, I can't remember the, it's got Bilstein shocks in it. Sorry guys, just some of our wax. Bilstein shocks in it, in the rear. Cool old car, man. Love the interior. Seats are nice. They've definitely been repadded. A couple little marks on your dash there. I think that tach is wicked cool, man. Go ahead and fire it up, Jordan. Door handles are pretty doggone nice. About the same thing on this side. You can pitch that a little bit. Nice little cam to it. And the car just rolls out. That is a good looking car. Tach works, speedo works, fuel gauge works. I think everything else is on a light. I know the blower motor works. Got good sound. Oh, hold on, Jordan. Yep. I know the backup lights work, yeah. There you go, yeah, you just gotta Make sure the shifter's in the right spot. Great sound. Radio works, blower motor works. I know the heat works. Doors open and close real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Have a great day.